Hey friends, I am Vishal Sunani from Evo Course. Would like to welcome you to the first CSS video. If you have just starting learning CSS or you are extremely new to it, then this video will be very useful for you. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be able to watch my videos regularly. Let me move on and make you know that where and how CSS is very useful. So first, let us know what is the full form of CSS. The full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. Here, style sheet means providing design or look to the various documents, and cascading means that its rule cascade each other. Now let me make you know that what is CSS. CSS is style sheet language that describes the presentation with pages. So next topic is why to use CSS. CSS is used to define style for your web page, including the design, layout and variation in display device for different devices and screen sizes. Now let me make you know what are the required tools for CSS. Only two tools are required for it. First one is a simple text editor, and the another tool that you need is any good web browser. Let me move on and make you know the benefit of CSS. Benefit of CSS. First one is that you don't need to style the same element again and again. You can style the already implemented element easily. Second one is that it is easily maintainable. You don't need to change every web page again and again. Once you will change the CSS sheet, the new rule will automatically get applied to all the web pages, so it is easily maintainable. Third one is that you will be able to make your site become SEO friendly, and that too in a very good way. There are many other benefits too of CSS. Now let's move on to CSS syntax. So what is syntax of CSS? The most important thing is selector. It is the first thing that you need to define. Selector is the thing which is used the most. Secondly, we need to make use of curly brackets in which we do declaration related to the selector. There are two important things formatting the part of declaration, which are property and the value of property. We need to put the property, then the colon, and then we need to put the value. For completing the declaration, we need to make use of semicolon, as otherwise the declaration won't get complete. After this, we need to close the curly bracket, as then only we will be able to define the class. I shall let you know about the class later on. Now I will make you know a simple example of CSS and HTML which I have made by making use of text editor. So I have made it by making use of HTML and CSS coding, and the layout is very simple. So see this CSS coding which I have done. I have first selected image selector, then I have selected max width property and keep the value as 100%. Then I have completed it using semicolon. You can see that I have made use of multiple declaration. You can do many declarations for a single selector. Friends, I think that it's enough for today. I shall be providing you with many more useful videos related to CSS and web designing as soon as I can. You will be learning CSS with me by watching my videos regularly. Stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for getting very useful videos. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye friends.